So up to we are completed last topic, shortcut key. Okay. So let's see here. So write down coordinate system. Coordinate system. So what is coordinate system? See here. Coordinate system are three types. First one 1D, second one 2D, and third one is 3D. For 1D, consider one origin. Consider one origin. Sometime maybe x value 0 or sometime y value 0. Clear up here? Understand totally? For 2D, consider two origins. Right up here, x and y. X and y. 0, comma 0. Clear up here? For 3D, consider three origins. Clear? Understand up here? X, y, z. X value 0, y value 0, z value 0. Concept clear? Understand up to here? Intersection of three axes are known as isometric view. Are known as isometric view. Intersection of two axes are known as 2D plane. Clear up here? Understand? Clear concept? So let's see what is the introduction of coordinate system. Okay. A coordinate system is a reference system used to locate the exact position of a point in a 2D or 3D drawing using numerical value called coordinate. In AutoCAD, every point is defined by its x value, y value, and z value coordinate, which help create accurate and precise drawing. A coordinate system is a method of locating the exact position of point in a drawing using x, y, and z value. Clear up here? AutoCAD allows you to use two main coordinate systems to create the needed drawing at your ease. Clear up here? This name of two coordinate system are absolute and relative coordinate system. The relative coordinate system is further divided into two patterns, namely relative rectangular and relative polar coordinate system. The AutoCAD workspace consists of the x and y coordinates same as the graph, and thus the coordinates are entered in accordance with the geometry of the figure to be provided. A detailed explanation for both of the system using all techniques is discussed in this challenge. Clear up to here? We are ready to use coordinate system, right? Mechanical engineering drawing using for coordinate system, civil engineering drawing used for coordinate system, architectural drawing used for coordinate system, electric engineering drawing used for coordinate system, surveying also for coordinate system, manufacturing, automotive design. What are the advantages? High drawing accuracy, easy point location, faster drafting, accurate dimension, essential for engineering drawing. Clear up to here? Understand totally? Types of coordinate system: absolute coordinate system, relative rectangle coordinate system, relative polar coordinate system. Clear up to here? Write down. Coordinate system are three types. First one is absolute coordinate system. Absolute coordinate system. Second one, relative rectangular coordinate system. Third one, relative polar coordinate system. For two and third, based on relative coordinate system. Is it clear up to here? Understand everyone? Okay, right. Completed this one? Okay. So write down heading, what is absolute coordinate system? Absolute coordinate system are known as world coordinate system. Are known as world coordinate system. Clear up to here? Or user coordinate system. Or user coordinate system. Clear up to here? Understand? Okay. Let's say here Clear up to here? Clear up to here? Okay. Here is for positive x-axis, right? Clear up to here? Here is for negative x-axis. Clear? Understand totally? Here is for positive y-axis. And here is for negative y-axis. Clear up to here? Here is a first quadrant, right? Clear up to here? Second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Clear? In first quadrant, plus plus, right? X value positive, y value positive. Clear up to here? In second quadrant, x negative, y positive. అర్థమైందా? In third quadrant, x negative, y negative. Clear? So this feature under for third, right? In fourth quadrant, x positive, y negative. Left side value consider x axis. Right side y axis. Clear up to here? Intersection of two axes called as origin point, right? 0, 0. Called as origin point. 0, 0. Clear up to here? Understand totally? Right. Copy in the notebook. Copy it. Concept clear now? Right. Okay. So look at here. So what is absolute coordinate method or system? The absolute coordinate method, as the name indicates, is the procedure in which absolute or original coordinate values are entered. All drawing points are in reference to the origin of the Cartesian graph. So according to Cartesian graph, consider as a origin. From where line start? From where? At origin point. From where line end? At origin point. Clear up to here? Enter in value of x-axis and y in the reference to the origin of the graph, that is 0, 0. The coordinate are entered as x, y. Clear up to here? For 2D coordinate system, x direction, left to right. Clear up here? Y direction, right to above, right? For 3D, left to right, x. Front to back, y axis. Z up and down. The point where all three axes meet is called the origin. Origin of 2D 0, 0. Origin of 3D 3, 0. 0, 0, 0. Clear up here? So next relative coordinate method. There are two types. Relative rectangle coordinate, relative polar coordinate. So what is relative coordinate method? Unlike the absolute coordinate method, value of x-axis and y-axis are interrelative to the previous point of location within a drawing. And then how much do we need to move at certain distance from the previous point is a mention according to the next point location. There are further two subdivisions within the relative coordinate method using relative rectangle and relative polar coordinate. Understand up to here? Clear? So what is relative rectangle coordinate? In the relative rectangular method, coordinates are entered referring to the distance to be moved in the x and y direction, and no need of mentioning the angle is required in this process. The format of entering the coordinate is in AutoCAD @ x, y. Absolute coordinate method x, y. Relative rectangular method @ x, y. This is the formula. Clear up here? Where x is the coordinate to be moved horizontally and y is the same to be moved vertically within the Cartesian graph. Moving right hand side horizontally would be a positive value, while moving the left hand side horizontally would be a negative x-axis value. Accordingly, moving vertically upward would be positive y value. On the other hand, moving vertically downward would be a negative y value. So this method under relative rectangular. Clear up here? Relative polar. With the help of angle. With the help of angle. While following the relative polar coordinate system, you need to enter the length to which you want to move and the angle at which your next point is located relative to your current position. The coordinate are entered as @ length less than symbol angle. The syntax of this formula @ length less than angle. Note the first point shall always be in absolute reference to the origin, regardless of the method being followed. Clear up to here? Why coordinate system are used, right? It is used to drawing accurately, locate points precisely, create engineering drawing, measure distance and angle, improve drafting speed and accuracy. This format is absolute. Line command L enter, first point @ 20, 30, next point 80, 60. Clear up to here? This is the format of absolute. For format of relative coordinate system, @ x, y. Clear up to here? And here is some equation. L enter, first point 20, 20, second point @ 50, 0. Relative polar, use distance and angle from the previous point @ distance less than angle. Here is for relative polar. Line command L enter, First point 20, 20. Second point at the rate 100 less than 45 degree. Distance consider 100 units. Angle consider 45 degree. X-axis horizontal direction 0 degree. Y-axis vertical direction 90 degree. Concept clear? Understand each and everything? Okay, na? Up to here. So next command, line command. What is the line command? The line command is one of the most basic and important drawing command in AutoCAD. It is used to draw a straight line segment by specifying two or more points. The line command is used to draw a straight line between two or more specified point in AutoCAD. For a straight line, for create 2D engineering drawing, for basic shape, rectangle, triangle, polygon. Create object outline, draw construction line. Is that clear up here? Understand totally? So let's see example. Example 1, absolute coordinate system, right? Example 2, relative rectangle coordinate system. Example 3, relative polar coordinate system. Clear up here? Understand totally? Concept clear up here? 1 minute.